Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. What is unified is here? Yes, yes. Aryan, yes, good evening. And listen to me. This is very important, coding and decoding. So this is where we will use here. Suppose you want to create some passwords. Suppose you want to create some passwords, or in banking sectors or any competitive exams, this coding and decoding language is mostly useful. So I am going to explain how this will be dealt. Okay, how we can understand this coding and decoding. And this is very important subject, and it will be useful in railway exams. Okay, railway exams, like in the new CBSC, they have introduced this system, coding and decoding is a reasoning. Okay, it is very important. So in that, mainly you need to know is corresponding letters. These are called corresponding letters. Okay, if you remember, in this way the work will be done very easily. So many questions will be solved out. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So here, the opposite to this are called as corresponding letter. Means A corresponding letter is corresponding letter. Okay. So corresponding letter is N. A corresponding letter is N. B corresponding letter is O. Like G corresponding letter is T. Okay. And I corresponding letter is B. J corresponding is W. Why we called they are corresponding letter? This is, this is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This one is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Now here, by the difference of any two numbers, you just look at here, the difference of any two numbers, look at their any letter. You take any letter, the difference of their opposite. Like 20 minus 7, how much? 20 minus 7 is 13. 14 minus 1, 13. 15 minus 2, 13. 16 minus 3, 13. 17 minus 4, 13. 18 minus 5, 13. 19 minus 6, 13. So if the difference of any two letters, difference of any two letters is 13, we call them as corresponding letters. Yes, Prathamesh. So difference of any two letters we called as corresponding letters. Like what I say here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. These are 13 numbers. You see that. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Just look at here. This subtraction is 13. This subtraction is 13. Anywhere you take the subtraction, that is 13. So these are called corresponding letters. So, suppose I said as Gopal is coded as, this will be, they will show like that. Gopal is coded as TBCNY. Then Max coded as dash. Max is equal to the math. Math is equal to, what is the code for the math? What is the code for the math? Suppose these type of things will be want to know, and you want to write some language and corresponding like coding language. So these coding and decoding is most important. Okay. Like here, Gopal, if you see here, G opposite is T. Okay. O here, you just see opposite, not corresponding, right? O corresponding is B. Yeah. O corresponding is B. C corresponding is here. C corresponding is P. Okay, C corresponding, yeah. P corresponding is C. Okay, A corresponding is N. Y corresponding is L corresponding is Y. So if you remember this pattern, most of the questions of railway questions will be solved this way. So these are called corresponding letters. Okay, in coding and decoding, these are called corresponding letters. Okay. So in this corresponding, if it is Gopal is coded as TBCNY, then Max is coded as how? Maths is coded as how? This suppose I want to know cat. Cat is coded as what? What is cat? Cat is coded as what? C. C corresponding is what? P. So P you will get. And your A. A corresponding is what? N. So N you will get. T. T corresponding is what here? T corresponding. T corresponding is D. P and G is the answer. CAT cat is equal to PANG. So here, likewise, this coding language is useful to you all. Is it understanding? I think the lighting is very less, right? Lighting is very dim, right? Prathamesh, Aryan, can I talk to you? Is it audible? Aryan? Yes, yes. So can I stop this one? Tomorrow morning I'll take the live. What is it? Morning in the afternoon? Because I think this is very dull. Very dull, right? Should I continue or tomorrow I can take? See, this is actually not related to JEE. This is not related to JEE. I just want to say that most of the people who are writing banking exams, railway exams, PROs exams, like MBA, MCA entrance exams, and these type, they should know the coding and decoding languages. So I am explaining coding language. Now first I am explaining coding. So in that A, B, C, D, E, F, main thing is this is very important. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So this difference of any two letters is 13. They are called corresponding letters. They are called what? Corresponding letters. Difference of, we can adjust it, it is not a big problem. Okay, fine. So the difference of any two letters is, the difference of any two letters is 13. They called corresponding letters. So Gopal corresponding letter is T, B, C, N, Y. Then cat, CAT, cat. Cat corresponding is P, A, P, and G. Like, understood? So these are corresponding letters. And remember, A1, B2, C3, D4, E5. You have to remember these things also in the coding languages. You should remember A is what, B is what, C is what. You need to remember these numbers also. But if you generally you take in a paper when you are writing coding and decoding language exam, if you write once, it's over. Okay. These are called corresponding letters we call. Okay. Suppose in this corresponding letters, if I say that, if I say that, now I am taking one more. O, now you have to tell. Okay. Now O, N, N, Y, Y. Okay. O, N, Y, Y coded as BALL. Then what is the code languages? What is the code? What is the code for Z, R, A? What is the code of this? What will be the code for this? Can you tell me this answer? What is the code for this? What will be the code for this? What will be the code for this? So in coding languages, two things are there. One is corresponding letters, one is opposite letters. Okay, now this is corresponding. Okay, I spoke about the corresponding. After this, I will explain about the opposite. Corresponding opposite is most important. Then we will start the real questions. Okay. So first we need to understand, then I will start the real, what exactly. See here, I do one thing. I'll take tomorrow morning. I'll take, because I think I'm not feeling proper this one. So lighting is not so much good. So I'll take tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow morning section I'll take, or Sunday morning section I'll take, because it's not looking that good, that much good. It is not looking that much. Appearance is not good. Board is not appearing proper. What do you say? Yes, men. Yeah, Prathamesh, correct, correct. Correct, Prathamesh. You are right. Yes, sir. Hello. Ah, yes, sir. Tell me, sir. Acha. Okay, okay. I'll take the classmate. Ah, no, no. I'm taking class. Tell me, sir. Live में हो. बोलो, बोलो. Tell me. What is? Hmm. Okay. What time you want? What time you want? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Fine, fine. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. See you, students. Now we'll start questions. Sorry, I got a call in between. I got a call. Okay, fine. You're able to see. You're watching or not? You're understanding or not? Should I tell one more thing? Yeah. Now my coding language is here. Maths here. Math is coded as SGZN. Okay, SGZN. Okay, SGZN. Then then BARK coded as dash. What is the code for this? Mass is coded as like this. Then BARK coded as what? You want to know this? I'll show you here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. So see that maths here M. M is coded as S. M is coded as S here. Okay. So you have to take the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So M is coded as S. So gap between them is M is coded as S. The gap is how much here? 6 is the gap. A is coded as G. A is coded as G. The gap is 6. Okay. T is coded as T is coded as Z. So gap is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So see this one. It makes you number. You can identify that. H is coded as N. H is coded as N. The gap is 6 in between. Okay. It means exactly here, this M is how much? The number is 13 here. Then you are getting here is how much? 9. So you have to see the gap should be how much here? 13 plus 6 should be there. So B is here 2. A is here 1. R is here 18. K is here, K, where is K is 11. Then I have to add 6 for this because everything gap is 6. 13 plus 6, 19 I am getting. So 2 plus 6, 8 I'll get. 8 number is what? H. 8 number is H. A is 1. 1 plus 6, that is 7. Means I have to get G. Okay. 18. 18 plus 6. 18 plus 6, 24. 24 is letter is what? X. Okay. And here 11 plus 6. 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 letter is what? Q. So this is the coding language. So you have to identify like this. What is the gap is maintaining in between them. So if maths is coded as SGZN, then BARK is coded as SGXQ. So like that, you will find the coding and decoding language. So coding decoding will be done like this. Okay, like for example, I'll explain few more. Okay, few more I'll explain. So these are called corresponding letters. Okay, these are called corresponding letters. Suppose I am taking as I'm taking as I. Okay, you tell me any name, like Queen. Let us take Queen. Okay, Queen. Let me take Queen. Queen is coded as, suppose you have like this. Okay, Queen is coded as how? Just look at here. Queen is coded as E. Okay, I'll just tell you. I. Okay, S. Okay, B. Okay, Queen is coded as like this. Queen is coded as like this. Then what is the code language for? What is the code language for king? King. What is the code for king? Queen is coded like this. Then what is the king code? Code is what? What is the code language for king? So if you observe this is the magic of most coding and decoding language. This is the most important one. That is corresponding letter. These are corresponding letters. Okay. Now if you see there, queen is 17 here. Okay. So what is the language is happen here? If you observe there, this is 17 number. Okay. Just write the numbers over there. Q is 21. E is here 5. N is here how much? 14. Okay. So 21, 5, 5, 14. And here I am getting I have to see this one, what I am getting. Q corresponding what I am getting. Here E is I am getting here E. E means what here? 5. Okay. And E is 5. Okay. Then after that E is 5. I is what here? 9. S is what here? 19. And B is what here? B is 2. Acha. If this is coded as this, then king will be coded as what? So if you observe carefully, the difference between them is 17 minus 5. 17 minus 5, that is 12 is the difference. Okay. So you can see that what is happening here, if you observe carefully, Q is here, E is getting, means you are getting next number of corresponding next number I am getting. See, Q is here, next is E. So corresponding next number I am getting. Next number to corresponding. U is H. U is what here? U is H, but the corresponding is I. Means what I am getting here, this one, corresponding letter side one I am getting. Means next one. So gap is 12. So here also should get gap 12. That is what you have to see. So how to identify gap 12 means simply you can see this corresponding letters. So this corresponding letters will work a lot. So K is means X I should get. So K is how much? 11. So if I take Y, how much it will be? 25. 25 minus 11 is how much here? 14. This is wrong. But what I have to take here? If I take X, it works out. 11 minus here. 24 minus 11. That is I am going to 13. Yeah, K, right? K. W you should get. W. K back number I have to get. So here you see this is the corresponding, this back number is W. So W is how much? W is 23. So 23 minus 11 will give you 12 answer. So I have to get difference 12, that is keeping in the brain and think like that. I is there. I is here. I is how much? Corresponding V. V back is U. So you will get. Okay. N is here. N is here this way. So this corresponding is B. Okay. B will get. G is here. This corresponding is T. T back you get S. So the answer is WBS. E is coded as Q. E is coded as Q. Yes. So here, Q is coded as E. So now this is the way we can find it. Coding languages find like this. Right? If you want to keep any password, your name or anything you want to keep it anything. So corresponding, these are the corresponding letters you have to keep in the brain. According to these numbers only you can do it. Okay. Some more I'll explain you. Then after we will be having, there are methods also there. Okay. Methods also, they follow a method. Like here, they will follow methods also. What are the methods I want to say here? If bag is coded as BAG bag, okay, BAG bag is this value is 71, okay, this value is 71, then VICE value is how much? What is the value of this? If I want to know this one, the simple thing is have to see B is how much here 2, A is how much 1, G is how much 7. Okay. So how I got this one, I have to know this. Okay. If I see this one, yeah, B, yeah. If you see this one, BA, suppose they have given this is not 71. First, I'm going to difficult one. I'll take as this is BAG is coded as how much? Let us take this is how much? 10. Then this will be coded how much? This value is how much? So how can we find here? This B means 22 plus I means 9 plus C means 3 plus E means 5. I can add these values. So 22 plus 9 plus 8. So I am going to get 39 is the answer. So for this is 39. If because it depends on that how you are taking. Suppose if they coded like this, BAG is coded as another way. Like here they coded as a square, 2 square, 1 square, 7 square. They will code like this also. 2 square value 4, 1 square value 1, 7 square value 49. If they coded this value is 54, then what is the code for this means then you have to square. Suppose they ask you what is the code for AAG. Suppose they ask you what is the value of AAG. So we take as 1 square, 1 square, 7 square. So 7 square is 49, 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1. So you will write here this value is 51. So like that coding languages will be there. I think you are not understanding, right? I'll explain next time because yeah, I think this lighting is a problem. Lighting is not good as that I expected. That much is not good. So I will explain next time. Okay. Understood. Okay, understood. Very good. Very good. So if you understood, that's fine. So fine. Now there is one more thing is corresponding letter hour. Now there will be one more way is opposite letters. Opposite letters also there. So these are very important. Okay. Suppose A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. I wrote something wrong. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Always you write like this. This is corresponding letter. But if I write this one reverse, Z here, Y here, X here, W here. Okay, if I am writing reverse for this, if I am writing W here, sorry, Z here, next Y here, next X here, next W here, next V here, next U here, U, next T here, okay, next S, R, Q, P, O, N. Then these are called opposite letters. Opposite letter. These are called opposite letters. Okay, I write once again clearly so you will understand. A, B, C, D, E. Right. Actually, here the place is not sufficient. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Suppose you write NOPQRSTUVWXYZ. These are always corresponding letters. Based on this, many books you will be having many questions based on this. But if I write this reverse here, from here I start Z, if I start here Y, if I start here X, if I start writing reverse, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N. These are called opposite letters. These are called opposite letter. What is the difference between opposite letter and corresponding letters? Corresponding letters, opposite letters means the difference of any two letters is 13. They are called corresponding letters. Corresponding letters. Okay, if the addition of any two letters you are getting 27, they are called opposite letters. Based on this, many examinations, many where they ask the questions based on this. Like here, I just want to say here, suppose you are just take as bag. What bag is coded as? Bag is coded as Y, okay, bag, A, Z, okay, G, T. So if they said as bag is coded as YZT, bag is coded as YZT, then what is the code for book? What is the code for the book? Bag is coded as YZT, then what is the code for book? So book will be coded how much? These are the corresponding, these are, you can see that if this is 2 and this is how much here, this is here 20, 20, 25, the addition of 25 plus 2 is 27. So these are corresponding letters forming. So instead of every time you taking like this, if you know this, if you have idea of this, then you can write directly coding language. So B can be written as Y, O can be written as L, O can be written as L, K can be written as K. So K can be written as P. So YLLP is the coding language for the book. So these are called opposite letters. These are called corresponding letters. Based on this, you can create any code language and you can express the message. Like here, if you want to say that, hi. So you are just telling hello. Okay, hello you want to say in the, it's coded as, let us take hello is coded in corresponding letters. What is the corresponding letters coded? H is, the corresponding letter is V, E corresponding letter is R, L corresponding letter is Y, L corresponding letter is Y, and O corresponding letter is L. O corresponding letter is B. This is the corresponding, okay. This is the corresponding, okay. This is the corresponding one. H is coded as V, E is coded as R, Y is coded as, where is Y? Y. Y is coded as L, L is coded as Y, L is coded as Y, O is coded as B. If this is coded, hello is coded like this, V R Y Y B. Then how are you? How? Okay, how coded as what? Or anything, let us take as other thing, and telling that boy coded as what? What is the code language in boy? Corresponding letters. So boy corresponding is O corresponding is B, Y corresponding will be L. So this is the answer for this. If they will give you this, if they will give this, then they'll ask you, what is the value of this? So this is the coding language. This is the opposite letter coding, and this is corresponding letter coding. Okay, did you understand? There are the types of coding. One is the letter coding. Letter coding will be there. So this is what we have learned. This is about letter coding. Okay, these are the letter codings. We call these are letter coding. Okay, these we are called as letter coding. So in detail, I'll explain the next time, because actually what happened, the lighting is not so good. Okay, what I expected as that this light is not went that much good. So I will delete this one. I will keep one more lecture. So at the time I can give you the best. So I can explain the best. Okay. So in a code language, they given like in a certain code, they give like this. In a certain code, in a certain code, in a certain code, LAKE coded is written as LAKE written as QZPV. Okay, QZPV. Then how will be back be in the same code? How will be back will be the same code. What will be the same? In same code, in the same code, in the same code, in the same code. Now he's asking like this. So here LAKE, look at there and observe this one. This is coded as QZPV. Then he's asking BACK, code is dash. This code is how much? Options are there. We can take the options also here. We can take the options of this to understand. Option A, they given that ZYXP, and option B they given as ZYPX. Option C they given as YZXP. Option D they given as YZPX. What is